Okay, friends, so I have to be 100% honest with you. You know how I am. If it's something that I'm having trouble with, I'll go ahead and let you all know about it, okay? I'm not saying that the device is no good or anything like that. No, as you can see, I'm old thumbs, okay? And so, I had the most difficult time setting up this machine, okay? Mainly because it's so small. I mean, it's small and it's cute, and it serves the purpose. It serves its purpose if you're into making small labels, especially if you have a small business and you want your logo and everything. What I had trouble with was the setup, okay? It was, because you have to open it right along here. Let me see if I could get this. Okay, and it has to be set up just a certain way. And even when I did set it up a certain way, it still did not do very well as far as that. Let me show you the initial printed items. Okay, this is stuff that went directly into the trash because this was a sample, one of their samples. As you can see, I'm trying to get my logo centered correctly, and it doesn't. And I guess it's because I'm doing it with their sample roll. It may be different I did it small here to try and get it, but I want it this size. It may be different with a full roll because, as you can see, they gave me just a sample roll, and this is all that I have, and I'm not about to go out and get a new roll just to test this machine out. These are available in other colors. They just sent me the black one. Would have been nice had they sent me a pink one to go with everything else that I have in pink, but I did have trouble setting the alignment, but as you can see, the machine does work. Okay, it prints everything extremely well. It's just the setup that I had trouble with, and user-friendly, I would give it, out of 5 stars, I would give it about a 2.5 because first I had trouble with finding the right app for this, and then your phone has to be, I had to update my phone today. It worked with today's update. Okay, I have an iPhone, and so, if the rolls were bigger, it would be better as far as user-friendly. It would also help if it had something over here, like a stop or something, a little device here like other machines do that you could, how registers, the old type registers, you would thread it through so that it doesn't fall off, because it seems to me that when it's not held right, it'll go wherever. Okay, so that's a suggestion to this company, the vendor that sent me this, or the manufacturer that sent me this. That would help a lot. So I can either tell you go ahead and get it or don't get it or whatever. It is up to you. I'm going to go ahead and leave you the link to this in the description area of my video. I did follow the quick start, and it wasn't so quick to start. I mean, because I guess, I'm old thumbs. But I just don't like the way it has too much move on it. Okay, that is my review for the little P110 Nelko thermal label maker. Okay, and so this is what they sent, and the Bluetooth technology, but the print, I like the print, the quality of the print, as you can see, and it doesn't rub off. It's just getting it to print the way I need it to print. That was a problem. Okay, I hope that this review helps somebody, and like I said, I'm not saying anything bad. about the printer. It's just not for me. It is not user-friendly for me, and it's not getting me to where I need it to go. I need it to get me to. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.